Today we are making ham and cheese dumplings. The ingredients we will need for this are some pastry, some ham, some cheese and some egg as our glue. We will place some ham in the middle with some cheese. Ham and our cheese in the middle, and then we will use some egg around the side of the dumpling to act as our glue, to stick one side to the other, like so. Once you're finished, you should have a nice dumpling ready to be fried. Okay guys, we have our fully formed dumplings. It's now time to transfer them to the fryer. Carefully. 6 dumplings sizzling in fryer. Okay, there we go. There's our dumplings, nice and golden brown and fried, ready to eat.